So I've got some questions coming through. So given the time it takes to develop and commercialize a digital health company, how do you navigate the challenge of appearing stale to the market versus thorough and doing the right thing?
I don't believe the concept of stale is a legitimate concept if you're growing, if you're succeeding and moving forward. I mean, if you look at some of our, companies that are out there now that I think people would say that are great successes, like Omada, for instance, they're going on year 12 or 13, I think,
Yeah.
They're
10-year overnight success.
Yeah, exactly. So I think if you are legitimately succeeding, growing, scaling, you're not stale. And if you're very, very early and it takes you time to legitimize your claims and prove your value proposition, it will take any competitor the same amount of time. So you have to just do it. You have to just do it, because if somebody gets out ahead of you by saying they've done it, but they haven't, they will eventually, have their reckoning too. I mean, maybe they'll get lucky, but it's, how hard it is. I mean, it's very hard for any companies to succeed, much less, do it without any left turns and right turns, and U-turns.